ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for making this evening a beautiful one. I see you and your partners right here. Yes, the name is Cherry Blossom. Some of you might know me from radio. I do morning radio, but thank you so much for joining us this evening. It is a dinner with your loved ones, celebrating love, celebrating Valentine's Day. It is a time to reignite. It's a time to be with each other. It is a time to be with each other, to look into each other's eyes, to delve deep. Then we have couples games coming through, and don't forget, it is indeed a night to remember. And I will be taking couple by couple to put them live on radio.
So tell me, what is it?